This is a short video to demonstrate UniPhi's new track changes feature as part of its version 16 release. This feature allows you to see changes between versions of documents. To begin, select the Documents module. Now select a project and you will access its document register. Note the version column in the register. Select the document you wish to review. Note the version drop-down selector at the top of the screen. Selecting a previous version will display the new track changes icon. Click on the icon to see the changes between versions. The text of this PCG document is displaying both version 2 and 3 of the report. Thank you for watching this short video on track changes in UniPhi 16.